Android Auto and Apple CarPlay seamlessly integrate your smartphone with your Suzuki Swift V6 infotainment system, offering safer, hands-free access to navigation, music, calls, and more. These systems mirror your phone's features directly onto your car's display, providing hands-free access to navigation, music, calls, and messages. Available on Suzuki Swift 6 models from 2017 onwards, compatibility and features depend on trim level, region, and software version. Post-2020 models, especially GLX and Sport trims, generally offer better support. This video will guide you through activation and setup. First, ensure your Suzuki Swift V6 supports Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Most 2023-2026 GLX and Sport trims come standard with these features. Android Auto requires Android 6.0 or later, ideally 10 Plus for wireless. Apple CarPlay needs iOS 7.1 or later, with iOS 15 Plus recommended for wireless. The most reliable connection is typically via USB. Connect your phone to the car's USB port, often labeled for charging or media. On your Swift's touchscreen, navigate to the Smartphone Integration menu. Select either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Grant the necessary permissions on your phone for data sharing, such as location and contacts. This allows the system to mirror your phone's interface onto the car's display. For 2024 and newer Suzuki Swift models, wireless connectivity may be available. Start by pairing your phone with the car via Bluetooth. Then, in the car's settings menu, enable wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Ensure your phone is compatible with wireless Android Auto, requiring Android 10 or higher, or wireless CarPlay, needing iOS 15 or later. Note that wireless functionality uses more battery. Keep in mind that pre-2022 models may experience battery drain during extended use. Once connected, you can access essential apps directly from your car's touchscreen. Use Google Maps or Apple Maps for navigation. Listen to music via Spotify or Apple Music. Make calls and send messages hands-free. Voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant are crucial for safe, distraction-free operation. The system integrates with the Swift's climate controls and audio system for a cohesive experience. If you encounter connection drops between your phone and the Suzuki Swift's infotainment system, first try restarting the car's head unit and your smartphone. App lag or slow performance can often be resolved by updating your phone's operating system and all related apps. For older Suzuki Swift models, a wired USB connection usually provides more stability than wireless options. If wireless connectivity is problematic, ensure both your phone and car firmware are up to date. Consult your Suzuki dealer for potential firmware updates. To minimize battery drain, especially with wireless connections, consider plugging your phone in during long drives. Keep your phone's operating system and apps updated for the latest features and security patches. Familiarize yourself with voice commands to reduce manual interaction with the touchscreen. Regularly check Suzuki's website or app for any firmware updates that improve compatibility and performance. The automotive infotainment landscape is evolving towards seamless, AI-driven integrations. Future Suzuki Swift models will feature advanced in-car AI assistants that blend Android Auto and Apple CarPlay with vehicle diagnostics for a more intelligent driving experience. Wireless connectivity will become more prevalent, especially with 5G-enabled vehicles, reducing latency and improving data speeds for real-time navigation and streaming. While Suzuki is making progress with these integrations, competitors may innovate faster in areas like fully integrated AI hubs. Staying updated with Suzuki's announcements and firmware updates will help you maximize your Swift's infotainment potential.